Hello, scent warriors. Wines and spirits are essential in almost every party, making it part of every event. Consequently, there's a high demand for wines and spirits business in Kenya. Standing at 467 billion Kenya shillings, the alcoholic drinks market in Kenya is expected to grow by 4.97% between 2023 and 2027. This data shows there's a high and growing demand for alcohol, making a wines and spirits business in Kenya one of the most profitable ventures. Before we continue, Scent Warriors, please support us in our goal for the next few months to reach 50,000 subscribers. We want our tribe to keep growing. Please help us by subscribing and liking the video, since this helps YouTube recommend our content more. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out the description below this video for more details on the step-by-step guide to open a wines and spirits business in Kenya. Please stay tuned, because this is where the video gets exciting. Let's dive in. So, why should you invest in a wines and spirits business in Kenya? The wine and spirits business can be financially demanding for a first-time entrepreneur. However, it has numerous benefits and advantages, including 1. Highly profitable. Starting a wines and spirits business in Kenya with 100,000 Kenya shillings gives you a monthly return of 40,000 Kenya shillings minimum. And the more you stock your customers' favorites, the better it gets. All you have to do is fulfill all the government requirements to avoid operation disruptions. 2. All year-round demand. According to Nakeda, 15 million Kenyans drink regularly, while 12 million drink every day. This means there's a constant demand for wines and spirits. Moreover, consumption spikes significantly during holidays and important celebrations such as Christmas and New Year, increasing your sales massively. 3. You enjoy free marketing. As a retailer, you don't have to advertise your products. Reason: wines and producers are investing in advertising intensively, from TV and radio shows to social media challenges. Hence, you can sell your products without spending even a shilling on advertising. However, you must find a strategic position where residents can see and access your store easily. 4. It's a recession-proof business. The consumption of products reduces when there's inflation or a recession. But wines and spirits have an inelastic demand that's never affected by economic shifts. Ironically, instead of reduced demand for your products, you might experience an increased demand even when Kenyans are complaining they're struggling financially. 5. Easily diversified. A wines and spirits business in Kenya can be easily diversified to increase your returns. How can you diversify your wines and spirits business? To stay ahead of your competitors, you can incorporate the order online and delivery services of your products. This will attract a massive client base to shop from you, increasing your returns significantly. 6. Wines and spirits business boast exceptional shelf stability. The wines and spirits business is a unique business that boasts a good storage life. Unlike businesses such as groceries and food stores, you can store your products for even a year without waste. Hence, it prevents losses and also helps you plan how you should restock for high-demand seasons. Now, let's explore the requirements to start a wines and spirits business in Kenya. If you're planning to start a wines and spirits business in Kenya for the first time, here is what you need. 1. A strategic location. Your business location impacts how many people see and access it. As a result, you should find a position like a busy urban area or road. This will increase the visibility of your business, attracting more clients to your wines and spirits store. Again, you should consider opening a store in a less competitive environment since you're new to the industry. Also, consider the rent range of where you want to start your business to ensure it's affordable and does not overstretch your finances. 2. Research. How many wines and spirits businesses are in your area? What are their pricing strategies? What are their marketing strategies? Before starting a wine and spirits business, you should identify critical factors like competition. This will allow you to assess the viability of your business and how you can maneuver through the different challenges in the market. 3. Licensing. If you want to run your wine and spirits business without constant disruption and losses, licensing is crucial. The licensing requirements for a wines and spirits business in Kenya include: 1. Business permit from County Council, which costs 3,500 Kenya shillings. 2. NEMA approval document, which costs 3,000 Kenya shillings. 3. Health certificate, which costs 3,000 Kenya shillings. 4. MCSK license, which costs 3,000 Kenya shillings. 5. 1-year valid liquor license, which costs 50,000 Kenya shillings. 4. Furnishing. Furnishing your wines and spirits business well will help you arrange your display properly for easy access and visibility. In addition, it will provide your clients with enough space to take their drinks. However, you don't have to put a lot of money into purchasing expensive furnishing materials. You can use simple yet beautiful timber products. 5. First stock. During your research, you must identify the different brands of liquor selling in your location. This will inform your first stock purchase decisions, helping you acquire first-moving brands of wines and spirits to boost your sales. Starting capital for wines and spirits business in Kenya. So what's the total starting capital for the wines and spirits business in Kenya? Here is a breakdown of what you need to open a wine and spirits business. 1. Rent is 10,000 Kenya shillings and above. 2. Licenses is 70,000 Kenya shillings. 3. Stock is 50,000 Kenya shillings and above. 4. Furnishing is 50,000 Kenya shillings. 5. Miscellaneous is 100,000 Kenya shillings. The total cost for starting a wine and spirits business in Kenya is 280,000 Kenya shillings. However, you should not be restricted by this figure, as you can decide to go small or big depending on your business plan. How profitable is wines and spirits business in Kenya? Wines and spirits stores have varying incomes depending on their location and demand in the area. As expected, those in less populated areas earn returns of up to 50,000 Kenya shillings per month, while high-traffic stores have an average of between 200,000 and 350,000 Kenya shillings. Challenges facing wines and spirits business in Kenya. From rival businesses to legal demands, the wine and spirits business in Kenya faces different challenges. Here are some that you may encounter when opening or running your enterprise. Long opening process. The liquor business requirements are numerous, with business permits, government board approvals, and taxation documents. This means you will take a long time to secure all the necessary papers before starting your business. Again, the cost of these documents can be extremely high, straining you financially. Hence, you have to prepare your finances before venturing into this business. Stiff competition. Different store owners develop unique marketing strategies to stay ahead of the competition. For instance, some have delivery services, while others provide luxurious spaces for clients to enjoy their drinks. As a new entrant into the market, you might find it challenging to attract those clients to your business. Nevertheless, you can apply competitive pricing to acquire your client base. Time restrictions. The legal time requirement for the wines and spirits business is 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays and 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. on weekends. Failure to adhere to these time limitations means charges might be pressed against you, disrupting you from regular business operations. Tips to establish a successful wines and spirits business in Kenya. You can establish a successful wines and spirits business through the following strategies. Tip 1. Sell genuine liquor. Counterfeit liquor earns you higher profit margins. However, it can run your business into legal issues with KRA and other agencies. Again, if your customers realize you're selling counterfeit drinks, they will leave your premises and find a reliable retailer. Tip 2. Stock a variety of products. A client's favorite in another customer's least preferred drink. So ensure you stock a variety of wines and spirits to ensure your clients have a wide range to choose from. This will make you a reliable retailer as they believe you have what they or their friends need, even when holding parties. You can easily garner orders to improve your sales. Tip 3. Apply competitive pricing. Pricing attracts or repels customers to or from your business. When your competitor sells liquor at a lower price than you, your customers will move to their store. That's why you should regularly assess your prices to match the current market figures. Tip 4. Find a reliable supplier. Finding a reliable supplier helps you in the following ways. You enjoy affordable prices, helping you offer your products at a competitive price. You get a consistent source of genuine liquor. You can get products on credit when experiencing financial difficulties. Hence, establishing a good relationship with a reliable supplier allows you to run a successful business. Tip 5. Consider customer feedback. Although the customer is not always right, they know what they want. Consequently, you should listen to them and develop a strategy to resolve their complaints or enhance their experience. Now click the link in the description below to check out how you can apply for a liquor license step by step. See you in the next video.